A reveal of a complex map that features alternative ideas like reversible commuter lanes on 270 all the way to Frederick, additional HOV or toll lanes that go all the way to the Wilson Bridge, with possible transit links to Amazon's planned HQ2 in Virginia, and beltway enhancements in Montgomery County like metered on-ramps and shoulder lanes to smooth the flow of traffic without widening anything.
We're not saying stop, we're saying do it, but do it sensibly.
In Silver Spring, Scott Broom, WUSA 9.
Field of Dreams, it was more like Field and Stream. 1 year ago, floodwaters ravaged a Little League field in Frederick, Maryland, and it has not hosted a game since. The league president, Rick Wilson, said you can literally blame it on a rain delay of sorts.
It's just been so wet that you can't get the heavy equipment on it, and this is the first time that the infield has been dry.
Over the past year, donations have poured into Frederick's Little Leaguers, but it's still not clear when their field will be dry enough for the overhaul it needs. For now, teams will have to practice and play elsewhere. It's been a year.
Well, I mean, we had 60 inches of rain last year, and that's like 50% more than we normally get, so that's one reason. I mean, it's a little better this year, not quite as wet this year. And you know what? We'll dry out. We dried out today. It's fantastic. I think tomorrow's going to be better. I really do. I think tomorrow's going to be a prettier day. Now, it will be chilly to start. We're looking at temps tonight in the 40s in the burbs, low to mid-50s downtown, and not too far away from us are frost advisories in north central PA. How about that? So at the bus stop, then, the kids are going to need something, sweater or sweatshirt, because temps will be very chilly to start. 55, yes, they'll end up carrying it home. 63 by 9 o'clock, 70 by lunchtime, and then 76 as the kids go home at 3 o'clock. Just a fantastic looking day. All right, and speaking of that, because it's a nice day, not encouraging this by any means, but look at the temperatures. Perfect tomorrow, 78. 85 on Wednesday, near 90 on Thursday, and then upper 80s on Friday. So the pick of the week and the pick of the month probably is tomorrow. So, again, I'm not encouraging this, but there is a ball game tomorrow, and it's going to be just about perfect. Temps in the 70s, White Sox in town, perfect. A light southwest wind. We're not going to have the breezes that we had today, so I want to check that out. All right, headlines. Well, we're looking at a perfect day tomorrow after a chilly start. I'm looking at some more data on Wednesday. We're probably going to have to issue a yellow weather alert again. Storms come in the afternoon and evening and even Wednesday night, and some can be heavy. Again, the atmosphere destabilizes very quickly, going from a very stable atmosphere tomorrow to a not so stable atmosphere on Wednesday. And then we're going to stay warm through the weekend. That means generally 80s. So tomorrow morning, 48 Leesburg, 47 in Gaithersburg. There'll probably be a couple of 44s, 45s, places like Damascus and out toward Etchison, and 48 in Hagerstown. By lunchtime, we're around 70, gorgeous. By evening, we're in the mid to upper 70s. These numbers probably running a couple degrees low. Now we're going to take you into Tuesday night. So tomorrow night, not nearly as chilly. We have some southerly flow, a few clouds come in. Temps are going to be in the 50s and 60s tomorrow night. Now let's go into Wednesday morning. We start out nice enough, temps in the 60s. But then by 4 o'clock, boom, here comes some showers and thunderstorms with temperatures around 80. And some of those do get heavy as we go through the afternoon and evening. And even Wednesday night at 9 o'clock, thunderstorms are still possible. So more than likely, we'll have to change that to a yellow weather alert on Wednesday. Not tomorrow, though. Perfect. And then we're looking at near 90 on Thursday with just isolated storms. Clouds, I think, actually will give way to sunshine, so not a bad day on Thursday. And really, looking ahead, Friday looks okay. We'll keep an isolated storm in on Saturday and Sunday, but not bad. Maybe a little better chance of storms Sunday, a real good chance of storms again on Monday, and temps remain in the 80s.
Tonight, Stephen Colbert sits down with Wanda Sykes to talk about her new Netflix stand-up special. She spends a set on the president, race, feminism, her family, you name it, she's talking about it. We're tight with Colbert's crew, so we got you a little sneak peek.
Tonight on The Late Show, Wanda Sykes is here. Her new Netflix special is called Not Normal. I remember Normal.
The Late Show with Stephen Colbert is on right after us, but we've got a lot more to talk about, including, it's not every day that a Hall of Famer spends time with children in our community.
Not every day. It happened with basketball's Nancy Lieberman. She really made an impact on these kids, and not just with this awesome shot either. She's making a difference in their lives. The story is next in sports.
Building DC's most accurate forecast takes tenacity, knowledge, science, instinct, and a real passion for weather.